Good morning, honorable chief guests, respected teachers, and my dear friends. My name is Sabha Mahin. I wish you all a very happy Republic Day. Today we are celebrating 71 Republic Day. It is one of the most important day. It is one of the most important day for Indian people, for Indian Republic Day. It's not only celebration but also a pride and honor. Republic Day is India's national day. This day is celebrated with great enthusiasm in India. Today we are living in freedom without any pressure in society. The credit goes to brave soldiers, martyrs and freedom fighters of the Indian freedom struggle. Due to these brave heroes, we are living a happy life today. I thank everyone for giving me the opportunity to speak here. Thank you.